peaceful morning in the forest. The two young birds, named Sunny and Cloud, perched on a tree branches. Their feathers were still soft and they had just learned to fly. They sat on each other, watching the sun over the horizon. Sunny, Cloud, do you ever wonder what lies beyond these forests? Could I dream of exploring the woods and wide sky? But I'm not sure if we are ready. Sunny, we are ready. Let's spread our wings and see the world. Forest edge. Early morning. Sunny clapped his wings excitedly, eager to take a flight. Cloud hesitated for a moment, feeling unsure. Sunny, come on. Could it easy? Once you try with a deep breath, could spread his wings and following Sunny into the air. The wind breathing slowly. Their wings felt exhilarating. Cloud, this is amazing. I never thought flying could be so freeing. Wow, it's amazing. Yeehaw! A wide open field. Storm clouds gathered as the birds flew. Further, dark clouds suddenly appeared and storm rolled in. The wind howling and rain began to pour down. Cloud and Sunny, with the wind, it's too strong. I can't keep it. Sunny, we must find shelter quickly. Cloud, they struggled against the strong wind, but saw a large tree in the distance. Together they flew towards the tree and landed safely beneath its branches. Sunny, this is a very hard flight. I could never be. Forget this. Ooh, very cool air. Sky after the storm, sunlight breaking through the storm passed, and the sky cleared. A beautiful rainbow across the sky, its color vibrant and bright. Sunny, look, Cloud, a rainbow. Cloud, it's incredible. It's like a promise of more adventure ahead. Together, they praised on a branch, watching the rainbow fade into the horizon. Wow, Sunny, very beautiful it is. Edge of the forest, sunset as the sun set, casting a warm orange glow over the forest. Sunny and Cloud returned to their home, and they had flown further than ever before. But fault at home again, Sunny. I think we've seen enough for today. Cloud, it was very perfect. The sky is endless, but so is our friendship. They sit together, watch the stars begin to twinkle. Sunny and Cloud, two birds, were very happy with their each other's friendship. Kids, I hope you like the story of the two birds, Sunny and Cloud. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe the channel. We'll meet you in the next exciting and adventurous video. Goodbye.